This video will show you how to start installing your Kebony deck using the Fastenator Hidden Clip System. Locate the edge of the deck that is away from the structure and parallel to the orientation of the main deck boards. This edge will also be perpendicular to the deck joists. Place a single grooved board on the outer edge with the grooved side facing inwards. The outer edge of the board should hang over the outer rim joist by 1 inch. Screw down the outer edge of the board at each joist location using number 8 stainless steel screws or the Pro Plug system for Kebony. When face fastening, always pre-drill. Place a Fastenator hidden fastener in the groove of the board at each joist and fasten the screw down to the clip without securing the board down completely. A 3/16 of an inch gap is automatically maintained by the Fastenator clip. For more installation guidelines and steps, you can go to our website or video channels. If you haven't already, you can order Kebony decking and fasteners direct from Kebony online. Enjoy your new deck!